This is my honest review of SOS Steel Wool Pads with soap. Um, I use these a lot. I've used them since my childhood. They come with some warnings, though. If you read some of the critiques that people leave, well, it scratched up my stainless steel refrigerator. Well, you probably shouldn't use steel wool on your stainless steel refrigerator. These are for the bottoms of pans. These are for pans that you've burnt. They're for barbecue grills. They're for really tough things that are burnt or that you have to scrub, or the pans that you might have to throw away other than, if you didn't clean them with steel wool. They are going to scratch the surfaces that you clean. So you need to be careful. Don't clean things that you don't want scratched because it is steel wool. But with that being said, they do a great job cleaning things. I use them all the time. I'm a smoker and a barbecue aficionado, and they will clean the heck out of barbecue grills and smoker grills and burnt pans if you're a camper, things of that nature. So if you're someone who likes to clean things like outdoor grills and things like that, or burnt pans, things of that nature, get these. But always test them on an inconspicuous area if you're trying to clean something that maybe is a little touchy. But other than that, go out and get yourself. Everybody should have a box of these under their sink for emergency purposes.